The other day I picked up my first video light. I decided to go for the Amaran 100D. It comes in at $200, which is good for beginners who want to get a bit more advanced. It arrived in this cardboard box with a ton of foam in it to keep the light safe while you're traveling. As you can see, the box contains some stickers, paperwork, the light itself with a protection cover, an included hyper reflector, and the wall and power cables. I do appreciate that both these cables have little locks that keep them in place. Also, the power cable has this metal wire that you can use to hang the power supply on the light stand itself. As I mentioned, the light comes with this protective cover. You should remove it before using it since it gets hot near the LEDs of the light. Also, here's a quick tip for my first time video light buyers. This light comes with the industry standard balance mount, which you can use by pressing down this little metal lever at the top. As you can see, it opens the lock on the mount itself. To be honest, it took me about 10 minutes to figure this out. The light has a solid hard plastic build. It feels like it's going to hold together for a long time. The only metal part is the connection on the bottom that you screw in to hold it in place on a light stand. The lever for tilt adjustment is the weakest part of the light. I feel like if I put too much pressure on it, it might snap in half. But then again, I only adjust it about once a day when I start recording, so it doesn't concern me as much. The light has an inbuilt umbrella holder that is really easy to use. You just put it in and screw it in and you're done. I have chosen to use umbrellas because they were a good option for the look I was going for. And an extra bonus was that they are incredibly cheap. You operate the light by turning it on with the button on the bottom. Then it's as simple as turning the intensity dial to move the strength by 1%, or you can press it to jump up 20% at a time. You can also use the included side assembly. You need to press down the little Bluetooth reset button and connect it to your phone. After that, you're ready to go. Here is a quick showcase of how it looks like when you're operating the app. Also, it has many effects that you can play with. And here's how the lighting looks in my room with different light scenarios. This is how it looks like with the light itself. This is how it looks like with the hyper reflector on the light. Damn, this one is really bright. This is how it looks like with the light pointing into a reflective umbrella. And last but not least, this is my regular setup with the light pointing into my shine through umbrella. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.